Hello Techakids, this is Ryan, and today we'll be learning about web design using the Wix platform. So go ahead and type in wix.com on your browser and go ahead and sign in. Once you sign in, use the email that we gave you. From there, once you log in, you'll see maybe if you have created a site already, you'll be able to see it from here, all the different sites that you've created, or you can actually click on this button here. It's the top right, create a new site. You can pick all the different templates that you want to use, but for now we'll be using a blank template. So you click other and make sure you use this start with the Wix editor. Once you go here, again there's different templates here, but we'll be using a blank template. And go ahead and do it from this very scratch. And you'll see this interface here. Now these are the items that on the left hand side, and we'll be talking more about that. And over here is going to be where your menus, we're going to be creating your menus. This is the only menu I have, which is the home. And you can add menus here. For example, if I want to create a page, and let's say we're going to be talking about pictures of my dog, or you can just say pictures. You can do that. That's another page. You can create another page, and maybe this one will be videos of your dog. And here you can probably even put contact us or contact, or you can even say about this website. So you can create a summary of what your website looks like. From here you can move things around in terms of your menu. If you wanted to change the menu, you can go here and you can rename that menu if you want. And also here you can hide it or create a sub page for it, but we'll talk about that more later. So that is your menu. Once you get to the menu, you can click out of there, and the important part of this side menu here is this add button. From this add button you can create a text, get an image, create a gallery, create a slideshow if you want, create a button, box, a strip. A strip is basically another word for a picture or video that scans across your website. You can pick out shapes, create videos, or insert a video using YouTube. You can put your own music, social media inserts such as Facebook and Instagram, and this can be your contact page, and we'll dig more on that later. And also this menu. There's a list here and a blog. A blog is basically a news where you can create this news, and later if you want you can actually create an online store where you can sell some stuff. But for now we're looking at the menu. So once you click on menu, you can pick any one of these designs. So let's pick this colorful red design. Now remember, the menu is going to be present in every single part of your website. This is your navigation or table of contents. You want to put that in your header. And your header will be important because that will be always on top of any of your pages that you create. And it will say add to the header, and you can say OK. And remember, we talked about a logo. McDonald's has a logo, Apple has a logo, so you're going to create a logo yourself as well for your website. Now once you go to add, you can go ahead and click add, and you can add an image. Now adding an image means you can actually upload an image, or you can choose from many of the free images coming from Wix. Now if you want to go to my image, all you got to do is upload your image here, and you can choose an image that you may have captured from your computer. So if you like Minecraft or a cute bunny, you can go to Google, save it into your computer, and then from there you can upload it yourself to the website. But for now, let's just use something free from Wix, and we said we were going to create some sort of animal website. Um, maybe we want to talk about, oh, here's a cute one, cats. Now this is your logo. So usually a logo won't be a picture. It'll be some sort of artwork or even a text. So we can get out of that, and we can create, aside from this free images from Wix, you can choose a clip art. So on the clip art, you'll see that if I click on animals, okay, cool. This looks like some sort of logo we can choose from. And since we talked about cats, we didn't really specify what kind of cat, but this is a cat, a cheetah. Go ahead and add that. And now you got a cheetah picture. Now within this cheetah picture, you can decrease and put it on the header. Make sure it's attached to the header right there, and that will be your logo. Okay, so a couple more things here we can use on the home page. We can create, for example, a gallery, or in this case, let's create a slideshow. Or actually in this, yeah, create a slideshow. And you can pick on different slideshows here. What I'll do is I'll just pick one here. And this slideshow will be on the very top of this. Now obviously this doesn't look like a cat or any animal, so we can delete that picture there by going to manage or change the background slides. Go to image, and let's choose again perhaps maybe a landscape of where your cat lives, right? Maybe like somewhere in a, oh, looks like somewhere maybe in the beach. And there you go, you've changed the image, or this is not a beach, but in any case, some water. You can look at the different slides here if you want to, and again you can change the background image, and you go here for the image and go to the Wix site, go to maybe nature, and maybe we can pick a forest scene with a frog. And there you go. So there's that slider. Now again, if you want to write something here, all about cats. Now it's really hard to see here, so make sure you can change your color, make it red, and from here you can even make the font bigger. All about cats. And this is slide number 2. Okay, so we won't worry about that too much right now, but we did create a slide here. Now I already showed you that there are texts here that you can use. So you can put an add text here, and you can actually add a text into your website. So this one I'm going to move all the way down, and from here you can edit the text. This is my cat website. Welcome. Oop. Misspelled there. Once you misspelled, you can actually take that out. I want this to come across all the way and put it right in the middle. Now remember I told you about this different pages. I'm on the About Us page. So all this information is on my About Us page. To navigate to the other pages, you go to Home. And notice that there's nothing there, because what we did actually is on the About page, right? So if I want to go to the home page, I click on the home page, there's nothing there. I can add more pictures. This time I'm going to add a strip. It's called a strip, okay? Now what's cool about this program is you can actually add this movie strip here, and I'll show you later when we publish it. It will actually move. So you can actually take a video from your phone, and you can download that video into your computer and change the background of this movie, right? So if you're taking a picture of your cat in your backyard, you can go ahead and do that. So this is a video. I will choose a video here, and there's actually some templates here from Wix already. I'll choose the tiger since we are talking about cats. And there it is. If you want to see a preview of it, just take a picture in here, and that's really cool. So it's going to be moving once we publish this website, right? And again, this add button, just to give you all the different functionalities, you can add shapes. But let's add a video here. So it adds a video, and it's on YouTube. And here's the YouTube video. So you can change the YouTube link here by changing this change video link here. And you can go to YouTube, and let's go ahead and go to YouTube real quick. And let's click at some cats. There's some cat pictures right there. Oh wow, this one has 6 million views, so it must be cool. So here it is, some pictures of some cats. And what you want to do is you want to grab this here on the very top, copy it, right click copy or control copy, and go ahead, go back to your website that you're using, and you can change that video and paste it. So there it is. There's your video. You can talk about this video by adding some sort of text, right? And you can click here. Once you click here, you can go ahead and say, this is my cat video channel. Right? In order, if you want to upload your own video, you can again ask your parents to create a YouTube channel for you by having your own Gmail account and posting your video if you want to. Now let's explore some other things that you can do here. You can actually create some buttons. Let's create some buttons in here. Now this is the key here. So if you create this button, you're gonna change to say video page. Remember, we created a video page up top, right? And you want to create this button so when someone clicks it, it can link to that video page. So go ahead and click this link button here, and it's going to ask you, where do you want this button to go to? This is a video page, so we're going to say it's going to go to my video page. There it is. So when we publish this, someone clicks this, it's going to go into my video page. So obviously this video page does not have anything in there. So just to keep it recognizable, let's put some more videos here. This is another video, and you can add more videos. Maybe all your videos will be on this page, right? And you can actually label it. And let's go ahead and label this as video page. There you go, that's your video page. Now, since we said we also have the pictures, I will go to my pictures, and again it's blank because we didn't do anything to it. And we're going to go ahead and put maybe you can put a image, or actually, let's put a gallery in there. You can pick all different types of gallery, and here's your gallery. So you can have all kinds of pictures there. Obviously these are just, you know, pictures from Mix. You can change those images. And we can delete that. There's a little delete button there. And here you can add images. Again, you can go to the free Wix right here, and you can type in cats. There should be all kinds of cat pictures there, or maybe cat. There's some cats. Go ahead and click so many of these images with cats. Let's put that. Let's try it again. Cat. Go to free Wix. Cat. Here's a cat. There's, oh no, there's a dog. There's another cat. Here's another cat. So we have several there since it's a gallery, and then you can go add to gallery, and you can go ahead and click that. There's your cat pictures. Yay. Now we're going to go to contact page, and here on the contact page you can ask again permission from your parents. Make sure you can put your own email in there. Once you go to add, You go ahead and put the contact here, and you can actually put email me here. And if you have your own email, you can go ahead and put it here and put in your own email. And whenever somebody says something in here and pushes send, then you can get that message to your Gmail. What's cool is you can actually, on this contact page, again, if you're creating a store or maybe a business, you can put their map there. Again, make sure you don't put your own home address there. Just just for fun, just create whatever address you want, but not yours. Alright, so that is quick tutorial on using your Wix. Oh, let me give you one more tip here. Blogging. So what is blogging? These are basically news that you can put on your website. You can go ahead and publish. You can save it and publish it first. Go ahead and name your website. This is my... Save this and say cat website. And you can go ahead and save and continue. And once you save and continue there, you can go ahead and publish it. It's done, it says. Go ahead and publish it right here. Publish it right here. Once you publish it, go ahead and view your first website. There it is. There's my home page. There's my logo. There's my menu. Here's some of the videos, and you can play that video about your cute cat. Remember, this is the video page link. Remember that one? Create the video page. It will go to the video page. There it is. There's my video page. If I go to pictures, there's the gallery of pictures. We didn't do anything. Oh yeah, we did. On About Us, remember that slider that we did? And you can go to Contact Us, where you can write a message. It'll go to your email. And we had that blog. Now, we didn't work on this blog yet, but this basically shows you, blog shows you all the different news that you can post on your website. You can put the images there, and they can read more. Okay, so that's it, Techakids. Good luck on your homework in creating your website.